In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive in Monday.com. Archiving is a great way to keep your workspace organized and free of clutter by safely storing away items that you don't immediately need but might want to access in the future. Let's dive right into the process to ensure your workflow stays streamlined and your data remains easily accessible whenever you need it. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the board containing the item or items you'd like to archive. Once you're on the correct board, take a moment to look over your data and pinpoint exactly what needs to be archived. This initial step is crucial, as it sets the foundation for a smoother workflow and a more organized digital environment. A well-organized board not only helps improve productivity, but also reduces the time spent searching through cluttered information. Next, you'll want to locate the item intended for archiving. Once you've identified it, you'll see 3 dots on the left-hand side of that item. These dots are your gateway to more options, including the archiving feature. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu, providing you with various actions to perform on the selected item. It's this intuitive design that makes Monday.com such an effective tool for task and project management, allowing users to carry out tasks with just a few simple clicks. Now, as you're reviewing the list of options in the drop-down, you'll want to focus your attention on the Archive option. Clicking on Archive will effectively remove the item from active view on the board, sending it to the archives. It's important to note that while archiving removes the item from the current workspace, it doesn't delete it permanently. You can always access the archives to retrieve any item if needed in the future. This mechanism ensures that nothing is truly lost and gives you the peace of mind needed while managing numerous tasks. And there you have it. You've successfully archived an item, contributing to a more organized and efficient workspace. This process is an easy way to tidy up your boards and concentrate on the more pertinent tasks at hand. Should you ever need to refer back to or restore any archived item, just head over to your board settings and access the archives. Archiving plays a pivotal role in maintaining a clutter-free and focused digital workspace. It allows you to prioritize your tasks more effectively, ensuring that only current and relevant data takes center stage. Whether you're archiving completed projects or ongoing tasks that are temporarily on hold, having a clean workspace is vital for efficiency and clarity. Feel free to take advantage of this feature as often as necessary to keep your workflow as fluid and productive as possible. Thanks for tuning in, and happy archiving.